Back in late September, we drove our Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk from Vancouver, British Columbia, all the way to Grand Bend, Ontario to compete in the SRT Haze Demon event. We had a lot of fun at the event, and if you want to see some other footage from the event, you can click the link in the top right of your screen. But this is the footage of us racing our Trackhawk out there, and we had a great time. Alright guys, welcome to Grand Bend Motorplex. We're gonna go out and make the first hit in the Trackhawk. Yeah, she spun pretty bad at the launch there. Gonna have to soften those launches up a little bit. Thank you.
You're welcome.
1247 at 114.82, 2060 foot. I had to get right out of it and pedal it. But if I can get this thing to hook, she'll go pretty good. Yay, thank you. 12:00 at 113, so we still got some work. We still got some ways to go here. That time I totally forgot to switch it. I was running in custom mode the first couple. This time I just totally forgot and I've had it in auto mode, so see how it goes. I felt pretty good actually. Right on, buddy. Oh, got it. Okay, 1193, 113.30. So we keep getting faster every pass. That was after a hot lap. So there's the slip there. I am going to let it cool down because we just hot lapped it from the last run. And we'll see how it goes, but we keep getting better and better, so we're going in the right direction. So this particular race, we actually posted the external footage on our Facebook page for Mopar Insiders, and it was one of the most controversial videos that we'd ever posted. So I'm going to play this through in its entirety, and then at the end I'm going to put up the time slip and talk about it a little bit. Just beat that demon. So first of all, of course a demon is faster than a Trackhawk. We've never said that a Trackhawk is a faster vehicle than a demon. Now on this particular race, we did beat him, as you can see, by 0.02 of a second, even though we actually ran a slower time and a lot slower mile an hour. As you can see, he was steamrolling me up top. So how does that happen? Well, first of all, our reaction time was 0.09 of a second better, and as you can see, the demon had a lot of traction issues with that 2.1 60-foot time. Usually a demon's kind of around the 1.5 1.4 range for a 60-foot. So we were actually ahead at the 8th by 0.4 of a second, even though he was 11 miles an hour faster and was picking up speed and gaining on us very quick, as you can see by the end of the video. So no, the Trackhawk is not a faster vehicle than a demon. It just so happened that we actually won out in this race. It wasn't particularly a great run for either myself or the demon driver, but sometimes that's how it shakes out. Up against our buddy Charles Rebel with the Hellcat motor in it, so that was a good time. I think he's having a good time with that thing today. He's just getting her sorted out. All good? I broke something. Oh shit. I'll find out when I get back. Okay. Okay, new best 11.900, 113.80, 167 60 foot. Now we're really gonna let it cool down and go for it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, stay tuned because we've got a few more coming that are already filmed, and we were able to improve on these times quite a bit. So stay tuned, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care.